We're here at REIT Week 2010 in Chicago, and I'm joined by Rich Moore, analyst with RBC Capital Markets. Rich, thanks for joining us. Rich, are there any sectors in the REIT market that you're particularly high on at the moment?
Yeah, actually there are several, and one of our favorite is the retail space. We believe that the amount of demand by tenants, retailers, has really begun to increase. And I think from a stock picking standpoint, a lot of investors don't realize how important the tenants are. They tend to think that it's all about the consumer and whether the consumer is shopping today. And while the consumer may not be shopping yet, in fact, the retailers are out in force looking for new space. So we think that over the next 6 to 8 months, you're going to see a pretty strong move in some of the real estate names.
And then are there any sectors that you think might be potential big-time acquisition markets?
Yeah, on that front, I think you're going to see some of the more daily type rental markets or daily type rental sectors actually look very attractive. I think the hotel guys in particular are going to show some pretty substantial transaction activity over the next year. Clearly there's a lot of money in the hotel space looking for hotels, and I think that product is going to come to market either via the CMBS vehicle or through perhaps other financings that just hadn't worked out, and those properties will come to market.
A big story in the past 18 months or so has been REITs trying to recapitalize their balance sheets. How do you feel that they've done?
Well, I think the vast majority of real estate companies, certainly the public real estate companies, have indeed recapitalized their balance sheets. I would go as far to say that many of those companies are under-levered at this point. So we may actually see a situation where many of the publicly traded REITs and REOCs have actually issued too much equity. And that is also a source of accretive earnings growth and potentially additional positive stock price movement.
All right. Well, thank you very much for joining us.
It's my pleasure.
All right. For more information on this and other REIT news and analysis, check out REIT.com.